Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Now today's lesson is going to be really quick and brief. Today we're going to talk about the import and comments. So in order to import, we just declare the import, import, followed by the name of the file. Now we're going to rename the file here so it's easier to import. Best practice is just to keep it a single word so it's not jumbled up. After that, you call upon it, import followed by that, and just hit F5 to run it. And we can see here, I'll intentionally make a mistake here, just to see that everything's working right there properly. Alright, and the last thing is comments. Comments is just simply, you put a #. Thank you for watching.